Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The next report that you will learn to create is the Account Journal report. This report will allow you to view the individual transactions that have been attributed to the Client Trust Checking account. Within this report, the source name column shown will be the payee field for checks written and will be blank for deposited amounts received. The name column will be the client in matter. The paid amount column is the amount of the deposit or check. Negative amounts are checks and positive amounts are deposits. If you need to change the name of the columns to payee, client/matter, and amount for reporting purposes, you can easily export the report to Microsoft Excel, where you can then rename the columns and print the report. To create this report in QuickBooks, start by creating a standard check detail report. Then click the Customize Report button within the toolbar at the top of the report to open the Modify Report window. Here you can click the Display tab to add columns to the report. You will need to add the source name and memo columns by ensuring those fields are checked within the columns area. You can uncheck the Account and Original Amount fields. In the Report Date Range section at the top of the tab, use the Dates drop-down to select all. Next, click the Filters tab to filter the report. Select each currently applied filter other than the Account and Amount filters, and then click the Remove Selected Filter button to remove all filters except the Account and Amount filters. Then select the Account filter, and then use the drop-down to select the Client Trust Checking account. You can then click the Header/Footer tab and type Client Trust Checking Account -Account Journal into the report title field. When you are finished, you can then click the OK button to save your changes and preview the report. You can then memorize the report to save it as a custom report for future use.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.